Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to delete calendar reminders on the Nokia 105. So let's head over to the menu and then come down to the calendar. As you can see here on the calendar, number 15 is highlighted. This indicates that there is a calendar reminder. So let's go down to the 15th of September and let's click on it. And you can see add reminder, view today or go to date. So if you select view today, it'll show you what the reminder is. And then once you've done this, you want to press the hotkey here on the left for the options. And you can select edit the reminder or delete it here. So if we want to delete it, we press the middle button on delete and it'll say delete birthday and you press OK again. And the reminder is deleted with this tick. And as you can see, when you move away from the 15th, it is no longer highlighted on the calendar as the reminder has been deleted. So that's how to delete reminders on the calendar on the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and don't forget to check out this quick playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.